Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we are delving into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 31st of July, 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.1. Now let's review the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock saw a decline of -2.36%. This equates to an average drop of -0.79% each day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 6.04% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 6.04% to 23.64%. For the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 40.7% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 40.7% and 64.84%. This corresponds to a price range of $574.74 to $673.37 after a year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, Microsoft stock price down 2.07% on Friday. The Microsoft stock price declined by 0.07% on the last trading day, Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, dropping from $417.11 to $408.49. It has now decreased for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock exhibited fluctuations of 2.64%, with a daily low of $404.34 and a daily high of $415. Over the last 10 days, the price has fallen 6 times, resulting in a total decrease of 6.55% for this period. The trading volume increased on the last day by 91,000 shares, albeit amidst falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 29 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $11.920 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $468.35, while the lowest price was $309.45. Currently, the price stands 12.78%, or $59.86, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft stock faced a wave of disappointment following its recent earnings report, as it struggled to meet market expectations alongside its fellow members of the so-called Magnificent Seven. This disappointment is mirrored in the reactions to other tech giants such as Tesla, Alphabet, and Amazon, highlighting a trend of cautious sentiment within the sector. Investors are now absorbing the potential implications of Microsoft's earnings, particularly concerning its Azure cloud services, which demonstrated impressive growth of 29% in the 4th quarter. Despite this positive trajectory, near-term volatility may continue as traders process these earnings results. In recent days, Microsoft stock has also been affected by an operational hiccup related to a software update that caused disruptions at Delta Airlines. Events like this can strain corporate partnerships and customer trust, impacting Microsoft's share price in both the immediate and extended horizons. Meanwhile, there is growing interest in artificial intelligence as a growth driver, with Microsoft strengthening its position by offering generous cloud credits to Y Combinator startups. This indicates a focus on innovation and market penetration that may lead to long-term stock benefits. However, in the short term, the market's mixed emotions could result in fluctuating prices as investors weigh the strengths of Azure against concerns over high valuations and market competition. It remains essential for investors to stay vigilant as Microsoft navigates this complex landscape of opportunities and challenges. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Microsoft a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. On that same day, Oppenheimer rated Microsoft as outperform, also opting for a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, KeyBank provided a rating of overweight for Microsoft, accompanied by a hold action. Barclays also issued a rating of overweight for Microsoft on the same day, alongside a hold action. Lastly, Wells Fargo gave Microsoft an overweight rating, maintaining a hold action on that day as well. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Microsoft stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which contributes to a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Should there be any upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at levels of $419.61 and $444.23. A breakthrough above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, July 5, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 12.63%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal about 3 weeks ago. Bollinger, buy signal just 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 10 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal approximately 6 months ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $406.66. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.66 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 2.64%. Throughout the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.58%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 22nd of October, 2024, Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.09. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Microsoft stands at $415.13. If you do not currently hold any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making an entry. For those who already own the stock, this could represent a key point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $406.66. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2024, Jala Alisel executed an insider sale of 177,469 shares of common stock. On the 7th of June, 2024, Walmsley Emma N. made an insider purchase of 234 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Rodriguez Carlos A. bought 5,369 shares of restricted stock units. Also on the 13th of June, 2024, Pritzker Penny S. acquired 20,894 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Peterson Sandra E. purchased 40,358 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 83.632. In total, insiders bought 14,177 shares and sold 204,299 shares in these last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and no stop loss has been established. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? The Microsoft stock shows several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Microsoft will experience weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is negative. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 5th of August, we expect Microsoft to open at approximately 78 cents higher and start trading at $409.28. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.